Here are the fast 5 natural phenomena caused by volcanic activity. 1. Lava tubes. Molten lava flows create hollow tunnels as the surface cools and hardens. 2. Volcanic lightning. Electrical charges build inside ash clouds during eruptions. 3. Fumaroles. Openings in the ground release steam and volcanic gases. 4. Pumice stones. Gas-rich lava cools rapidly, forming lightweight, porous rock. 5. New land formation. Volcanic eruptions can create entirely new islands over time. Volcanoes shape the planet long after eruptions end.